Hi, my name is Jerry Basic, and I would like to work for your company. Now, if you've had a chance to look over my resume, you will notice that I have a large array of abilities and experience. But let me highlight just a few items. As a technical director, I managed 4 departments with approximately 20 employees within a time-sensitive and highly pressured environment, bringing projects in on time and within budget. As a corporate trainer and substitute teacher, I learned how to solidify my message and present it in a concise and effective manner. And as a digital artist, I have honed my skills at photo manipulation and artistic presentation. Here are just a few of my recent projects. But let's face it, every job is unique and requires a variety of different skill sets. But what I believe you want from any prospective employee are 3 attributes. 1, a good work ethic, someone who is effective, efficient, and will work diligently. 2, intelligence, someone who has the ability to understand and apply foreign materials. And 3, creativity, that they have the ability to problem solve and occasionally think outside the box. I believe that I possess these qualities in abundance, and I would appreciate the opportunity to demonstrate them as your employee. I thank you very much for your time and consideration.